How to animate your text in Canva quickly and easily. Hey everyone, it's Maria here with Essetino and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Okay, so we are going to start off with just this. Here we have a blank presentation. The same process will go whether you're making an Instagram reel, a YouTube video, presentation, anything you're doing, it's going to be the same process to animate both your text and your images. So we'll start by just clicking on the text we want to animate here, going up to the top where it says animate. And you'll see you have a ton of options, and you really just have to go through each one by one, see what you like. So you can do ABC, you get the typewriter, animation, ascend, shift. And on each one, you can also pick if you want it on entrance, on exit, or both. And then you can also pick the speed at which you want it. So a lot of these will be customizable. Again, just click around, see what it is you're actually after. One thing is, if you want to animate each line of text differently, you're going to have to type it out separately. So for example, we'll duplicate this page here. And now clicking on this page, if I click on brand guidelines as a whole, it's all going to animate the same way no matter what I pick. So I'm going to have to go in and delete the word guidelines. And I'm going to have to just type it in separately. So, and now, as you can see, we're going to click on guidelines here, and then maybe I want that to be clarified. And so that's going to then be animated like that. But I want the word brand to be typewriter. So it's going to have two different animations. That's how you would do that. Now, you can also animate your images. You would click on the image you want to animate. Again, go up to animate, and you're going to go through and just see what you like. So maybe you like Shake Zoom, maybe you like old TV, maybe you like Sketch. And again, each one you have other customizations to go with that. And just click around, see what you like. Now, let's say you don't want to go through every single thing on your own to animate, or you're not overly picky, you just don't want to see what Canva has to offer. You can actually go up here where it says page, and then you can click on ABC, and that's going to just automatically animate the whole page for you in a pre-selected way that Canva has chosen. So maybe you like corporate. You can check out fade. So there's a few different options here. Page is my usual go-to. I just find it's the easiest. It always looks good. It always looks clean. But if you're a little bit pickier, then like I said, you can always do it separately by clicking on the photo and then clicking on the actual text that you want to animate. You can even go so far as to type each letter separately and animate each individual letter, and you can come up with some pretty cool animations that way. Now that's obviously going to be a little more time consuming, but if you're looking for a specific type of animation, that's always an option as well. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments below or by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.